The camera world is on fire once again, and this time, it's all about Canon. The Canon R6 Mark III has just leaked, and the specs look absolutely insane. We're talking about a brand new 30-megapixel stacked sensor, lightning-fast autofocus, full-width 6K 60p video, and maybe even RAW recording without a crop. Canon might finally be giving creators the hybrid camera they've been asking for. No overheating, no compromises, just pure power for both photo and video. If these leaks are true, the R6 III could completely change the game for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators in 2025. So, is this the upgrade we've all been waiting for? Let's break down everything we know so far. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The camera world is once again on fire with excitement as new rumors and leaks surrounding the Canon EOS R6 Mark III begin to surface, sparking massive conversations among photographers, videographers, and creators everywhere who are asking the same question. Is this finally the upgrade we've been waiting for? Ever since Canon introduced the original R6, it became a favorite among hybrid shooters, balancing professional-grade photo performance with stunning video capabilities at an approachable price. The R6 Mark II pushed that even further, introducing better autofocus, improved video codecs, and a refined sensor design. But now, with the R6 Mark III on the horizon, it seems Canon might be preparing to take things to a whole new level, combining everything creators have been asking for into one incredible hybrid powerhouse. According to the leaks making their way across the photography community, the Canon R6 III will reportedly feature a brand new 30 to 32 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, possibly the same or an upgraded version of the one used in Canon's flagship R3, which means we could be looking at near-global shutter performance and insanely fast readout speeds that virtually eliminate rolling shutter artifacts. That's huge for both photographers capturing high-speed action and filmmakers who want to pan, track, or shoot handheld without those wobbly distortions that plague traditional sensors. But what's truly exciting is that this sensor upgrade won't just be about speed. It's also expected to deliver richer detail, improved dynamic range, and cleaner high ISO performance, making it a true low-light beast. Paired with Canon's Digic X2 or possibly even a next-generation processor, the R6 III could deliver up to 14 to 15 stops of dynamic range, bringing it much closer to the capabilities of cinema-level cameras. For photographers, that means the ability to recover shadows and highlights with incredible flexibility in post-production, and for videographers, it means beautifully balanced footage straight out of camera, even in challenging lighting environments. The autofocus system is another area where Canon is rumored to be going all in. If leaks are to be believed, the Canon R6 III will feature a revamped dual-pixel CMOS AF2+ system powered by AI-based deep learning, similar to the one in the R5 Mark II and the Canon R3. This new AF system could recognize and track not just human eyes, faces, and bodies, but also animals, birds, vehicles, and even insects with surgical precision. What's even more impressive is that the R6 III might introduce advanced predictive autofocus, allowing it to anticipate subject movement before it happens, perfect for sports, wildlife, and cinematic tracking shots. Imagine locking onto a bird in flight, a racing car, or a dancer mid-motion, and knowing the focus won't miss a beat. Canon's autofocus is already among the best in the industry, but if these leaks hold true, the R6 III could redefine what mirrorless autofocus is capable of, especially in challenging environments where light